All right, so do you know the fishing game? Yeah, I've got another video on different ways that you can play this game. I'll post that in the comments below, but this is about how you make these DIY fishing rods, okay? So very, very simple. All you need really is a craft stick, could be like that. I've got these circular ones as well. So you need that, and then you need some twine or a bit of string, and yeah, you can tie them around the top, of course in a knot, but to save some time I like to use this electrical tape. I prefer electrical tape because it is much stickier and you can just rip bits off like that. So we'll wrap that around and tape it on, and there we go. We've got our string attached. Now we need to put a magnet, and again these are really cheap to get, so you again wrap it around and get some tape, or maybe get the tape first, rip a bit off, and it doesn't matter if you cover the whole thing, it'll still stay magnetic. So I'm going to wrap that around there and just stick that on. So yeah, I'm not very worried about it being pretty, I just want it to work. So there we go, there's a fishing rod, and I would do these for one between two if it's a large class, or one for each learner, because I want them to play together in pairs, in groups, and yeah, you can see it still works with the tape totally covering it. What I do tell them is that they can't be swinging around, obviously, because this is heavy. So I make a big deal of demonstrating how, they wind it up, and then to keep them, you don't want to have made this mistake where you just kind of gather them all up, because all the magnets stick together and they all get tangled and it's a pain. So just a bit of scrap paper, we've all got loads lying around. I just fold it in half and stick some staples in the bottom and at the sides, and then they just pop that in there and then fold it over at the top, and I just keep a bunch of these and then I've got them ready to go. So I hope you find that helpful. Let me know if you have made your own sticks, maybe in a different way, and if you do make these, then let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, thanks, bye.